Hi guys, I just installed a new theme. When you are on Leftwm, you type lt update, so left themes update, and you'll find out that there is a new name here, db-nemesis. So it's another spin-off from the db, the double bar, and a variation on the same theme. Use all of these to learn what the differences are. So it's already applied, and if you reload it, super shift R, it's gonna go like this, right? And CB is the only one. The change background is the only one. There is a ton of wallpapers in there, so only for that it would be a good reason to install it, because db-nemesis contains 500 megabytes of wallpapers, and it's only 116 files, but it is 500 megabytes of wallpaper. So each time you click on this one, it's going to change the background. But not only that, you saw it already inside a terminal. It's going to change the colors of the terminal as well. The right mouse click is something you need to change. It's now pointing to my folder from InSync, where I have thousands more of wallpaper. So if I sync everything, then it will randomly look at one of those. So this is now the one this is part of the theme itself. So if you see this wallpaper and say, oh my god, that's cute, all right, you go install this. It's on github.com, right? It's there if you don't want to have Leftwm, but you do want to have the wallpapers. It's all online. So the thing is, the drill is lt update. All the packages come in. Then normally this is not yet installed, right? So I can uninstall it. So lt uninstall db-nemesis. Well, personally, I do first and apply something else, right? So that's we're not stranded in something void. So sci-fi star, for example, first apply something else, and then you see the difference down here, the button. And it's all changed around, and that's the fun, right? To just by playing around with polybars, you can have beautiful things. So I wanted to uninstall, show you that as well. LTU uninstall. Which one? The db-nemesis. Like so. Do you want to uninstall? Yes, you have to type, and then it's gone. Super shift R once more. So you see the similarities for sure. But if you do then lt update like so, then it's clear to everybody, but maybe the color is not that great. So let's do another reload. In here you see that db-nemesis is not installed anymore. So getting it back, and it will take its time, right? It will take its time. So install db-nemesis. It's getting 500 megabytes of wallpapers, and that's why it takes a little bit longer. And if it's in, then you say apply. So LTA apply db-nemesis. I'm gonna use that particular theme now on my main machine, my ISO builder, and maybe change some things more, right? Having fun with all these all these possibilities, and maybe that's the last thing we can do. If you want to investigate what is all these db things, right? Compare, meld. Well, let's go there anyway. It's downloading, right? So go to your .config, right? Leftwm, right? Themes, So all these db-nemesis, what's the difference between these two guys? Simple. So install more and see that, oh yeah, sure. So backgrounds, different backgrounds, fine. But what else? Modulus minus ini. Modules, of course, and modulus in Dutch, and modules in English. So here you see that I'm using something different. So the change background thing is here a script rather than an executable fee. And so other things. And just keep on comparing, right? And see what is it that what's different? What did I change? I changed some things around. So margin top here, margin top, all the blue stuff. Check it out. What's all these blue things and what did I change? And that's the fun. And from this comparison, you can always learn something. So, oh yeah, okay, did this, did that, and that's the result. Here's something as well. Also just a delete of a text that was not needed, did not need to be there. And up. A new function, that's true. We should add the new function here as well. But that's for later. I can push that later. True. Voila, that's how we discover. Oh, I forgot a few codes of line codes that I need. So there you go. You've got yourself a new config, and I'll push the new changes that we've just seen here out there. All right, cheers.